Hello, hello! Welcome back to another episode of Gex 3. This time we're going to be going into Funky Town, and we're going to be seeing what they have in Funky Town as a set of worlds. I think this is the one that has, the, kind of like a Prohibition-style era, like speakeasy kind of thing going on. I think it has a stage like that here. I think that's about as far as I can remember into this game. Maybe superhero stuff happens at some point, too. I don't know, man. It's been a while. So, oh, that comes back. Dude, I can interact with these. Can I push them? No. So I can... Oh, but he looks like he wants to. Yeah, he does that. So after you hit them, he does it. I don't know what to do with those, though. They're not something I can interact with. There's gotta be something, man. Maybe it's one of the... I might be right about the superhero thing. Maybe you need, like, super strength to move the boxes. There is a lot of bonus points. Maybe I was wrong. Dude, I don't know, man. Asphalt jungle. Oh, there is a superhero thingy here. Okay. And you can now break these boxes open. Alright, I'm gonna see if it lets me go back into here with it real fast. It does carry on. Okay, it does carry over into here. But that begs the question of how do I open up those gates? Because those gates probably have those in there too. Those fly cords are probably in the boxes. Do I just need to break the gate open too? Is that something I can do? Can I just ram into them and break them open? I mean, I got one right here at the beginning. I could try it right away. We'll see. So, superhero! Nope, that didn't work. I don't think there's, like, a power it has. I was pressing a bunch of different buttons to see if I had, like, some kind of, I don't know, like Mario 64 invisibility or intangibility kind of thing, since he was, like, made of electricity. And it seems like it seems weird to do that instead of going with, like, just some kind of, Superman outfit, you know? I don't think I could find good old Turtle Butler anywhere around here to tell me about the powers either. Oh, you could break everything when you're a hero. Okay, I gotta remember that. Like, all of this is a playground of destruction. Yeah, because you cannot break this normally. Got it. Doisy Beach? Is that what it says? Yeah, Doisy Beach. This is a secret. I don't know if this is the way I was supposed to get in here, but this is how I got in here. Oh? Gangster TV, I saw it over there. I guess this would be how you would get in here? This seems normal to me. It seems like the right way to do it. Okay, at least I can destroy that. Rat? Rat! Possum? I don't know what that thing is. It's a monster, to say the least. Okay. Yeah, you can break those, get stuff out of it. I need a... just rush forward and try and break as much stuff as I can real quick.
That was amazing, sir. Well
Oh, breaking all this stuff is making those open up over there. Hey, I feel like I wasn't done being the hero yet. I want to say I had some time on that timer still. Let's try this again. Okay. So I can definitely get up here by just doing that normally still. I don't know. I mean, I guess I still gotta go up top of there and everything. I want to know if there's like a better way to reach that spot. Oh my god! I'm definitely gonna have to turn that down. Holy hell. Oh my god, it just stays going. I could just leave and go to the end right here. Oh my, I gotta get out of this room. Holy shit. That was awful. What asshole made that? I'm gonna head up top before we go over there and just start breaking more things. We're gonna see what I can possibly do over here. Can I hit these pigeons? Alright, 2 hits on them. There we go. Exploring the hub worlds the most. I think this is the best sections of this game. I'm actually gonna say I don't think superhero show. Okay, so we did have one over there. That was what I could get to. I just didn't even realize it. Yeah, I think the hub worlds are just actually. Oh, what the fuck? Wait, is that all of this brick I can do that to? I can do that to all of the brick here? Why? Why was that not explained or explored at all? I guess it's to go over to this side? And then it leads you to a bonus. Yeah, that's what that was for. Okay. I mean, all of the brick is still accessible like that, though. I still need to get over there. Maybe it's a different hero. Maybe there's, like, different ones for going into different, things up here. I don't know if they would bother doing that. No, it is. Okay. It's not going to be gliding. Okay. That's what I was thinking. Can't break these now, though. Yeah, this one isn't capable of doing that. So that'll lead down there. I probably should have climbed for this one. Whoop! Nope, we're good. We're gonna make it. Yeah, I need the, How do I get the strong guy up here, then? I guess right here. Yeah, okay, you can go across. Alright. I didn't even realize there was a second one after that one. Okay. So if I fall through this, does this activate anything? I was kind of hoping it, when I fell through that, they would open up the door. That's not what happened. There's still a lot to break here, too. I am not done. Knowing I can do that makes that a lot easier, though. So I need to get this. Hopefully make it up there in time, since this is a waiting game. I still need to come down. Ah, damn it, there was one more. I still need to come down here and grab all the stuff from down in the Doisy Beach area. Okay, come on. Let's see if I can do this quick. Immediately on a bad cycle with this. Come on. Don't lick the wall just to go. There's still more to do. There's gotta be a way to open this door. There has to be. There's no way that just stays like that. You need a lot of bonus points for that one. Because I still gotta do the 2 in here, 3 more over here, and 4 more out there. And I think there's another one in over here as well. Yeah, there is. There's more. Okay. I think we should be good. I think I can do this. I'm gonna go down the street first. Smash all these all at once. Let's get it all gone. I'm not gonna have enough time to go in there and get all those as well, so we're just gonna go ahead and start making our way back. I'm worried about not having enough time to get to the inside. I think the 2 that are next to the Mafia stage, the gangster stage. Okay, that's all those. There's 2 more. And then I gotta go into the sewer area and go all the way down there and get all those. I still need to grab that pad right there as well. Please be on a good cycle. Of course it isn't. Okay, that's everything right here. Bunch of 1-ups for my trouble. I don't really need those, though. I guess I'll do this just in case it's, opens up one of those doors for birds breaking these as well. I think there was, like, 2 more in there, wasn't there? Oh, that just runs away if you do that. Has to be already following you. Okay. Did not know that. Every day is a day to learn. As long as you're dumb. Because you learn new things all the time. That one was opened already. Okay, this one... Alright, there's not even things in here anyways. Whatever. I think I'm missing... Yeah, I'm missing 8. So if I break the... Did I already break those open? Oh, there's more up here. I didn't see it up here. Now we're missing 4. What am I missing that would give me 4? I need to look around, see if there's anything. Oh, it's the very first one right here. I thought I did that one already. What? Maybe I was gonna do it and I just fucked off and didn't. Maybe that's what happened. There we go. That wasn't too bad. It was just a lot of, like, side-to-side and time stuff. But, I mean, that wasn't too bad. That wasn't too rough. Now we can go ahead and we'll try to gather up all the Gecko pads in the area. There was one right here. Can't grab that. Okay. That should be one, yeah, right there. Didn't get it.
I guess the chick retired.
Alright, going back over here. Oh my god. Let's try and get it again. Dude, it's literally just floating there. There we go. One more of those. And I get to find out if I can go over that maximum or not. But I guess we'll go to the superhero stage then.
Lock and load, little lizard.
Defeat the Mad Bomber Super Zeros. Ooh. This looks like it's gonna be annoying. Checkpoint at least. Oh my god.
I'm here to save the day, but I'm pumped and I cried.
What the hell am I? Must be like Flyman?
Face-sticking paw prints can sometimes be most useful. Face-sticking paw prints can sometimes be most useful.
Oh.
My TJ Hooker impression.
Okay, I can interact with those.
Gotta love the tech.
So like all the walls here is something I can do. Got it. This is gonna suck. It's gonna suck to find everything. Can't go up that. Turn over here and go up there that way. I probably need the superpower thingy for that. You got it. We'll just take him out. I thought you could climb on those. Ow. Oh my god, why did that guy have so much in him? What am I? Oh, okay, I'm a big superpower guy. Gex jeans. There's not even a floor there. I feel horrible about doing that. Why would you make me just destroy cats like this? What's up, dude? I thought I would be able to, like, climb up that white section of the wall.
Elliot Nats tried to grab my untouchable.
Is this? How do I get up? Can I just make that? Yeah, I can.
I'm Gecko Pliskin, and I'm here for the president.
And then I just... No. I didn't even press a button. I just fell off the wall. No. No, no, no. No, you don't get to just do that. I'm not losing the progress I made just because you felt like it. This probably requires me to have the superpower to get through it, huh? Alright, got it.
That's no hobo, that's a man, baby.
You got it. Whoa, Jesus!
We got a situation.
What the hell are you? I wish I could see.
Wonderful, sir.
I can't think if that was like a gorilla goon or whatever. I need to be able to shoot something at those, huh? Dude, there's so much going on, and I have no idea what's going on at the same time. Like, this looks like a wall you'd be able to, like, climb up because it's the different texture and everything, but it is not. Back to having superpowers.
I'm Gecko Prison, and I'm here for the prison.
Again, the floor just disappeared right there. I'm gonna see if I can actually go over here and break these things on the wall. Is this? It might not be something I can do. Nope, I can. Let me just do a leap of faith. Okay, there we go. My favorite thing in all video games, just falling and hoping I don't die.
I recommend a chicken costume to glide to new heights, sir.
Well, that's not what I got. I love that he's telling me about getting the gliding costume. I go touch the wall, and that's not the costume. I get to go into the one literally right next to him as he says that, and that's not the costume in it. Like, I recommend this. I know it's not here, but you should find it. I recommend it. It would be really helpful right here. It's not here, but it'd be really helpful here. Do you think that's a wall I can grab? I'm gonna try.
Someone yell cut.
Nope. You can't. I'm gonna get the extra shrink for you. Get the higher places there. This place is fucking nonsense. I have no idea where I'm going, dude. This is insane.
I feel like I'm in West Side Story.
Oh my god, dude, come on. So if I get the superpower here and go break open that safe... I'm assuming that you can break it open with them. You can! Another one of those in it. The game is lagging like hell trying to do that. Oh, there's another one over here. Still... multiple fucking times. Oh, that breaks. Okay, I was wondering what that was. Well, that's just a nuisance for me to deal with now.
Top of the world, Ma.
Why am I going this way? Like, you could go it's a much easier path over there. What the fuck? I have no idea. This guy's a problem. He needs to go. That just leads over here. Don't worry about that. Yeah, absolutely Gecko.
And Gecko.
This place is insanity, dude. This fucked up. Cat.
Wonderful, sir.
Why is that a goal, though? So I can't shoot with this one, and it just turns off on its own. Oh my god.
That's no hobo, that's a man.
I'm going that way.
We got a situation here.
How... Do you think there's a way to, like... Oh, you can do it on the inside. Do you think there's a way to turn the, superhero things into another one of them? Like, where it transforms you into a different one? Who the fuck do you think you are?
Easy. Top of the world, Ma. Warriors, come out and play. Dateline Broadway, footsteps of Gecko's camp with a rat-a-tat-tat.
This place sucks. So if I go in here, like every one of them has turned me into that so far. If I go back in there, no, it doesn't. Okay, I was wondering if maybe I could get a different one going back into it. Oh my god. There's more down here. There's more invisible floor. Neat. I just didn't even. I don't know how to interact with any of these things. I'm so confused by all of this. Was there more to break right here? It doesn't look like it. I can't turn my camera in here because fuck me.
I feel like I'm in West Side Story.
No, you can't go up there. I'm just gonna cross. Touch this. Go back up here again. That just leads to that.
And now for my TJ Hooker impression.
Dude, I shouldn't have came this way. I have no idea what I'm doing. None of this makes sense. How do I get over to this other area? Sure. Oh, is this a superpower? I guess these just move now. Oh my god, sorry, I'm allergic to bullshit because that wasn't necessary. You could just do jumps. That's what I did. Dude, what the fuck is happening? Can I shoot that guy up there? Dude, he throws fucking TNT. Like actual bundles of TNT. So if I just go this way now. I can take this path. Hit this again. Just jump across anyways. Don't have to wait for those. Because they're not necessary. Jump across these. Get to this section. Be lost.
I recommend a chicken costume to try to new heights, sir.
How do I turn into a new one? Dude, I don't know, man. Oh my god, it's only the yellow lights you could climb on.
The warriors got excited.
Dude, I'm so done. Like, yeah, you can see the paw prints on it. I didn't see them on it because it wasn't on any of the other things, so I didn't think to look at it at all. Because why is it I can climb on the ones that are lit up only? So fucking stupid. Whatever, man. I just want to get through this.
Top of the world, Ma.
What is over in this direction?
Now
A
for
rat.
my TJ Hooker impression.
Another one of these. I don't know what the hell I'm doing. That doesn't lead me anywhere either. This doesn't help me either. Oh, that's a fake floor.
Warriors, come out and play.
Well, halfway to the remote, I guess. We're getting all the fly coins. Nothing else here. Just
Gnats tried to grab
this.
my untouchables.
and another one of these. What the fuck is that? Oh, good. There's more right here.
I feel like I'm in West Side Story.
Hello?
This attack is useful, but the bomber can only be killed using his own bombs.
I can only take out the bomber with his own bombs. I gotta knock those back. Okay.
We got a situation here.
Does that open this up?
Sir, well done.
Okay, so this is my gliding power, I'm guessing, then, since it has the wings. So I can finally do this. How long does this last for? Oh, it's just on? Oh my god, okay. The stage has become traversable. Alright, we got this. So you can take out all those guys with this. Okay, I'm not worried about getting that cat remote one because that one was by far the easiest. Can't bring that down with this. I gotta be... I'm so glad that was a wall I could climb over here. Does this lead anywhere? Okay, there is stuff down here. How come I can use this to climb up? Maybe it's one of those ones you gotta like...
I'm Gecko.
Oh, well.
And I'm here for the
I don't know.
Dateline Broadway, the footsteps of Gecko's tap with a rat-a-tat-tat of a Tommy gun.
Like, I have power now, I still don't really know what to do with it. Let's go ahead and test this out, too. If I take this, I'll turn it into this form. Do I turn back into the gliding guy after this, or do I go back to, like, Flyman and just stuck being worthless? Okay, no, I get to be this still. Okay, that's helpful. That is very good, actually. Let me just kill you. I probably should have used you to open this. Thought about that as I did it. I'm gonna test it and see if that was what I was supposed to do.
Cut! Stunt, Gecko!
You. No TNT over here. I want to know if there's, like, other ways to handle this. Oh my fucking god, this camera. Like, he's not treated as real if he's not on my camera, so I can't... Okay, you can't break it with it. Alright, just need to make sure. Oh my god, dude. Dude, I really haven't played a game that made me want to punch my fucking monitor as badly as this one, with how bad the camera is. I'm genuinely getting so unbelievably fucking angry at how awful this camera is. Like, holy shit. I do not like getting as mad as I am at this.
Top of the world, huh?
Didn't even make it. Nope. Now I did. With room to spare. I can knock that down, get up here, and then he's here, and I guess you just toss that stuff back at him. My god.
Get the super coop, Brad.
I'm not taking damage for it. Can I not? Okay.
Get the super coop,
So I was hitting it back, but because I was supposed to hit it like before it hit the ground.
It appears that I taught you well, sir.
Whatever, man.
Come out and play.
Why don't you just come over here and beat the hell out of him yourself? Oh, another bonus. Gimme, gimme. This recording is going to be running so long because of this. A lot of exploration over there. There was still another area to go to. Over this way. Dude, what the fuck?
The Warriors got signed.
Like, I can't turn the camera ever, dude. They just don't let you play. God damn, it's frustrating. That's on the move now. Here. Bring this down. Now I gotta see if there's anywhere I can... Not that way. Maybe that way. But I can just glide it. I don't know what this does for me, though. I might have just fucked myself. Oh, no, we can go. Windows here, we're good. This way, can't go through this. At least there's no fly coin section over here.
This is from Mr. Sinatra.
Okay, there's another area I haven't been to yet. Dude, I'm wondering how many fly coins I might have missed down at the bottom of a place like that. We've got another safe up here. Ooh, that lagged hard. I don't know if I'm gonna make it. Made it. No, that's the momentum again. Oh my fucking god, dude. Oh my god. Why does it do that when you just lose all your momentum in the middle of jumps? Like, I had a forward momentum, and then I did a spring jump, and then I just didn't anymore. Oh my god, dude, I fucking... this game.
We got a situation.
Sure, just fall off. You.
I recommend a chicken costume to try to new heights, sir.
Shut the fuck
Wasn't
up.
the super guy costume available?
Sir,
Oh my god.
be more and more every day.
What does this do? Big Power Man again, okay.
I'm Gecko Biscuit, and I'm here for the present.
Yep. I'm so fucking tired of these possum rat things. And I am not anywhere near. Well, I mean, I'm kind of close, but I have no idea where these last 7 are. So I'm probably just going to have to be right back. Alright, let's just explore the world as I try to find this out. There's really nothing else I can do other than just glide around and hope to God I see them. I really hope there's not windows I can interact with that I can break or just walk through like a fake wall like in that damn Western stage. Still pissed about that one too. Yep. Okay, there's another one of these up here. How do I get up there? Yeah, you don't get enough height there. Yeah, you just don't even get that height. And gliding, I don't think gives you that height either. Yeah, no. Yeah, no, this stage is pretty terrible. Like, I genuinely do not like this one at all. Sucks, you think this one would be a good one. Like, this does a lot where it should be made well. It's just... a combination of the camera and a couple other factors, man, makes this just unenjoyable. Okay, there we go. There's one more. Feel like I probably walked through that and it just didn't give it to me. Because that's the one right here. So I'm missing 6. Dude, the worst part is, like, it could just be on the ground somewhere, like, down low. And I just can't see it down there. Looks like Pickle just woke up. Hey, Pickle. Good morning. Hey, girl. What's up? You can sit on the lap? You can sit on the lap. Cannot break pots. She has positioned herself in lap. She's lap cat now. And she is purring hard. Feel her vibrating. Dude, I have no idea, man. Like, it just exists somewhere in the world here, and I just gotta get lucky enough to see it.
And now for my TJ Hooker impression. Acaba de vendre con Luandro on Broadway. Slip of the
What?
tongue.
The
And
well,
now
no.
for my TJ Hooker impression. Acaba de vendre con Luandro on Broadway.
Can you imagine trying to get all 100 here again?
That's no hobo, that's a man, baby.
I don't think that was up there. Yeah, because I already did that area. Dude, I have no idea where these last few are. Maybe there's like one more of those little drone things running around somewhere, the little like TV enemies. Because they dropped off 4 of them, didn't they, whenever I did that?
I'm Gecko Bliskin, and I'm here for the president.
Sure. Nope, somebody here, okay. We got it. Oh, thank God. Finally. Oh my God. Now, where was the remote that was for the 5, like, bomb dudes? Because that was definitely by far the worst one to do. Just get it out of the way. That's the one for that guy. I'm not worried about that one as much. I think it was this one.
Let's get it on.
Say. All right.
I'm back. Did you miss me terribly?
Maybe a little. By the way, am I rescued yet?
Well, I'm still working on that.
Well,
Drooling on
call
my
me back
arm
when
after
it's
waking
actually
up.
safe.
Yeah, sure.
Oh. Okay. That's a good place to go ahead and leave off this recording, though, so thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see y'all next time. Bye-bye for now.